Hello everyone. Today we make caramel glaze. The easy way to make caramel glaze. Fantastic recipe. It will be, as you see, shiny all the time. You don't need to use condensed milk, just little recipe. 200 gram sugar, 300 gram glucose, 400 gram fresh milk, 20 gram gelatin sheet, 10 gram corn flour, and 35 gram water. Amazing recipe. You have it at home all the time. You can make it in the job. First we mix corn flour and water. Keep aside, and then we start make the rest of ingredients. As you see, after I mixing, I bring casserole, glucose and sugar together. Then we keep the rest of the material. First we stir glucose with the sugar in medium heat. And keep it until it becomes dark golden color. I remove to whisk because whisk is very easy. Start boiling. As you see, the color is changing. When it becomes golden, dark, not light golden. Now it's not really nice. As you see now, golden brown. I added fresh cream. As you see, it comes stone altogether. Don't panic. You reduce the heat to low heat, simmering, and keep stirring the mix until all dissolve. All the caramel is still little caramel. You stir all the time in medium. As you see, I put in one, just like simmering until the whole caramel melted. You can see the color when it's boiling. Again, I added corn flour mixture, and the corn flour, it keeps the color. You know, if you make before caramel glaze, it becomes very transparent. When you cook with little corn flour, the caramel is still shiny and heavy, so will not be transparent. Continue. After boiling, I leave like 5-10 minutes to reduce the temperature a little bit. I squeeze the gelatin from the water. After that, I mix together. If you have gelatin powder, you use the same recipe, 20 gram, but you mix it with 5 times water. It means 20 gram gelatin powder, 100 gram water. I have caramel mousse filling with pistachio. As you see, very nice caramel and shiny. As you see, I put in digestive biscuit. I will leave the link of how to make digestive biscuit in the description box below the video. And here you can use with red velvet powder. Also, I will leave the link of how to make 4 ways red velvet. You can use a different imagination and you can make whatever you want. Here also we garnish with microwave sponge. If you didn't see the microwave sponge video, I will keep the link below. And here it is last touch, pistachio dark chocolate and little pinch of red velvet. As you know, I make one for whole chocolate.